Learning Algebra 1 for a certain course, or you're trying to improve certain skill sets, or as a hobby, I want to welcome you to Algebra 1 by AnsariMathematics. So what I want to do in this video is introduce to you the concept of solving for x. So let's say we have a balanced scale and we have 4 weights on this side, and they're each, let's say they're each 1 kilogram. And on the left side, we have 2 weights that are each 1 kilogram. And then we have one weight that we don't know the mass of. So these two are 1 kilogram, and this we don't know. So we can call this x. It is the unknown weight. And on the right side, we have 4 kilograms. And what we know in this case is that both sides of this scale are balanced. So therefore, whatever the weight on this side is, has to equal the amount of weights on this side. So what we can do is write exactly what we just said. So we have 1 plus 1. So we're going to write 1 plus 1 plus the big weight that we don't know, we can call that x, is equal to, well, this side. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So again, we said these two sides have to be equal because they're balanced. And so if there are 2 kilograms here, and then there's an unknown weight, that has to equal all the weights added up on the other side. So that's exactly what we wrote with algebra. So now what we're going to do is simplify and essentially solve for x. So before we do that, let's see if we can figure out what x is without doing any of this. So in this case, if there's 4 kilograms on this side total, then that means this side has to also have 4 kilograms. So if this right here is 2 kilograms, then this big weight right here has to be 2 kilograms as well. So we already know x has to be 2 kilograms. Now let's solve that with algebra and let's see if we get the same answer. So we simplify 1 plus 1, we get 2. So we have 2 plus x, so again x is the unknown weight, equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. So now right here we look for a number that when you add 2 to it, you get 4. And in that case, that number has to be 2. Another way we can do that is subtract 2 from both sides. And if you're not familiar with that, don't worry, you'll get familiar with what I just did right here. And you would get the same exact answer, which is 2.